Good morning, y'all. It's about to be 8 o'clock and my plan is to upload the Shein haul first. I have it ready to go. And then upload my Vlogmas 14. I hope you guys don't mind me opening up to you like how I opened up to you yesterday. I don't know why, it's just like weighing really heavy on my mind and like I'm feeling like slightly embarrassed, but at the same time, the whole thing about my YouTube channel is that I just really want it to be like raw with my subscribers, and that's the goal, is to just be real, you know? And I know that that is one of the things that y'all like me for, is me being real. So I hope that you can appreciate me being open with you, because internally I'm like struggling with embarrassment and shame. So even though I do it, it doesn't mean that it's like easy for me. Like literally all day yesterday and still this morning, I'm feeling ugly about it. I'm feeling like emotional, just like I'm feeling stupid. I don't know. It's a weird self-loathing thing that I do sometimes. Hate it. But I'm determined to make this a good day. I want to have a good day anyways. Like, that was yesterday, that was the past, and all we can do is look forward and just try to make it better. So what I want to do is some yoga. I really crave to work out. I need to work out. I want to be healthier. I just want to have better intentions today. And so I'm like wondering, I feel like I should film me doing yoga because it'd be a nice little segment for the vlog, but at the same time, I could be uploading my video while I'm doing it and killing two birds with one stone. So the thing is like when I upload to YouTube, I can use my camera, but when I export the video to my library from my iMovie, which is the editing app, I can't use my phone at all, and it takes a little while. So that's the unfortunate part. Maybe I'll just start the yoga and export the video, set it to upload, and then if I'm still doing it, I can record a little bit for you guys for you to see. But I used to do yoga and I was like doing it for like 2 weeks a little while ago, like straight. And then I stopped, but I should do it because it's just good for like meditation. It's good for your body, you're moving, you're stretching, you know, your mobility, your strength. I need to get back into it. Hubby said that I could go to the gym while he's on his lunch break today. But the thing about me working out is like I need to get it done like in the morning. So, I don't know. We'll see. Y'all, we had a change of plans. As you can see, I'm in the golf cart. I always take the golf cart to the gym in our community just because it's just easier to use this than to use my car. Save on gas, you know, because this is electric. But yeah, we're going to the gym. I didn't do yoga. I actually ended up cleaning. So I did a lot of cleaning. And now I'm going to go head to the gym, come back, shower, gotta give Austin a bath. I got a vacuum upstairs, and then I think I feel accomplished for my chores today. So we're doing good. Okay, y'all, so I went to the gym. I had a really good workout. Seriously, when I work out, I'm like, why do I procrastinate on working out? Because I love the way that I feel when I'm working out and after I work out. So why do I not do it more often? I don't know. Life is crazy and I don't know. But I feel amazing. I worked out for like a good 35 minutes. I did weight training and I did the treadmill on an incline and I got my sweat on. I feel amazing. So I'm super glad that I like forced myself to do that today. Then we got a package from FedEx from my dad. He said it was a present for the kids for Christmas, but when we went to the gristmill to eat dinner with them, they brought the Christmas presents and gave it to us, and they got a lot for the kids. So I was like, oh, okay, so they're sending something else? That's kind of crazy. Why did they buy them something else? They already gave them so many presents, y'all. You are not ready for this. Like, y'all are not ready for this. Do you see this huge box? You see this like 7-foot box right here? I can't say it out loud. I don't want to. It's a swing set, bro. It's a fucking swing set, dude. Oops, sorry, I'm swearing. Oh my God, it's a swing set, bro. What? How am I gonna hide that from the kids? I told my dad, I was like, dang, best grandparents of the year. Oh my goodness. They are gonna be so excited. I can't believe my dad got that. Dude, that's crazy. So I just texted him and I was like, I just realized what it was, and oh my goodness, that is because I was at the gym when the package came. And so Mike was like, did you see the package? I was like, oh my God, that's insane. They're gonna love it. It's perfect too, because if we go on lockdown again, then we have something for them to play with outside, even though it's cold. Like, it's not super cold every single day, so like, that is so cool, dude. So I just texted my dad and I was like, how are we gonna hide that? And he was like, just give it to him. And I was like, okay, we'll give it to him early, you know? So probably today when Mila gets home from school and hubby's home from work, I think we're gonna give it to them and like put it together. I'm dressed for the day. We're doing the same low bun because I'm just feeling it and it's easy and it's out of my face. For some reason, my low buns look better when my hair has been curled. So yeah, I just put some dry shampoo in there and put a low bun. And I'm wearing this outfit again because it is so comfortable and I'm literally obsessed with it. I just love it, okay? Don't judge me. Outfit repeater, and I don't care. But yeah, my Shein haul just went live today, which means yesterday for you guys. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link it to the end of this video. But it was a really good, cozy haul. And now I need to go eat some breakfast / lunch. It's 12:20 right now. I'm super hungry. Haven't eaten anything. Real quick, I forgot to show you guys these. I got these curtains on my Buy Nothing group on Facebook for my neighborhood. And it's like a dark gray, black on the other side, curtains. And I've been wanting curtains in here just to like up the decor, you know, to like change the feel of the room. And you know, we do like a lot of black and gray in here. So it was perfect, got them for free. And I had to just go buy some curtain rods because it didn't come with that. So I got these ones from Walmart and I actually forgot about them because I left them in my car for like days. But this is just the Mainstays brand decorative curtain rod. It's just a black one with like a black ball, but it looks nice, you know? And I just feel like by adding curtains in this room, it's just really going to change the feel of the decor, I guess. Slowly but surely, I'm trying to change the decor in my room, which I've mentioned several times. I made my bed today. I've been so proud of myself. I've been making my bed. I changed the sheets today. Eventually, what I'd love to do is paint these black, but I just haven't wanted to do it yet. So yeah, I think those curtain rods are going to look really nice with this because they kind of have like the same type of feel. And yeah, I think I might take that plant down too. I just need to get hubby to put these up there because I don't think I'd be able to do it right. And I think he has to use a drill. So I got to wait until hubby can do that. But I really want to put these curtains up. I think it's also going to help the room not get too hot and not too cold because these are the these are the weatherproof curtains. So when the sun is shining in here, it gets really hot. That's going to prevent it from getting super hot in here. And then when it's really cold, that's also going to prevent it from getting cold in here. Because sometimes I notice like the air seeping through the windows, making it cold. So I'm picking Mila up from school. I feel like it's been forever since I picked her up from school. I don't know why. It feels like it's been a long time. But also, you know what I just thought of, you guys? This is the last week of school before their winter vacation, Christmas vacation. So she goes to school until Friday, and then Friday is an early release day. They get out at 11:40, and then she has like 2 weeks off for Christmas vacation, which is awesome. I feel like we just had the Thanksgiving break, so it feels weird to already have the break for Christmas, but it's cool with me. I don't gotta wake up early. Just before I came here, I went to, oh, it's so sunny in this spot. I hate when you get a spot where like the sun's directly at you. I just picked up something from our Buy Nothing group, and it's this pair of jeans, because here's the thing, even though I get like a bunch of free clothes because I do fashion hauls on my channel and I work with companies, I just don't find that I have a lot of jeans that I particularly love with the companies that I work with. Like I love Shein and I love Yoins, but I don't have any jeans from them that I love. And so the only jeans I love are American Eagle, which I am going to buy a new pair of jeans when I get my next YouTube paycheck, because I find myself wearing those jeans for every single occasion. Like I should definitely have a second pair. Plus I kind of want ones without distressing, because mine are very distressed, and sometimes I just want a plain one without holes. So anyways, I thought I'd give these a shot because they're a size 15. I kind of have a feeling they're gonna be too small in the waist, but you never know. Apparently they're from Kohl's by the brand Angel Kiss, and these are an ankle skinny, which I don't have any like ankle ones where they're like shorter cropped, so I thought that'd be pretty cute for booties or tennis shoes. And it's like frayed at the bottom. I think this is like gray. Like this color is, what color is this? It's kind of like a green tone gray, if that makes any sense. But yeah, there's distressing on it, which I do love distressing. I just definitely want a pair of jeans that doesn't have any, so I'm definitely gonna buy more from American Eagle because I already know I love them. But these seem really stretchy. The only thing is I think the waist might cut into my stomach in a way that I don't like, but I don't know yet. I haven't tried them on, so we'll give them a try. And they were free, and if I don't like them, I'll just pass them on to somebody who will like them, I guess. I'll just pass them on. Even though it's cold outside, it's hot in the car because the sun is in my eyes, so I'm gonna put my air conditioner on. That's so dumb, but I want to have my windows open to feel the cool breeze, but I'm talking to you guys and their windows are open, and then I feel like they're gonna be like, who is she talking to and why is she being so loud? So yeah, I have no idea how much footage I have for today's vlog, but I know it's gonna be a good vlog because right after this we're gonna have some fun once, I can't say it right now, but once hubby gets home. It should be interesting. And I feel super accomplished today. Like I just feel so much better today mentally than I did yesterday. I feel like I accomplished a lot. I got 2 videos out today. I did all the cleaning that I did. Also, I did end up vacuuming like I said I was gonna do after lunch. I did it. And I did a lot of laundry. Austin got a bath. I mean, I'm feeling really accomplished today. So yeah, I'm feeling good. And amazingly, I didn't get tired at 1 like I usually do, so that's weird. Maybe because I was so busy doing things, I didn't have time to get tired, but we're gonna let you open one more present for Christmas. Early. Yay! This is the last early Christmas present. It's from Grandma and Grandpa Pena. Okay. No. Come on.
Okay. I'll make it.
It's because we couldn't hide it because it's too big.
What is it? It's what it said.
That's a real big swing set.
You can open it right now and make it so
Like the ones at the playground.
You can open it like Daddy.
Grandma and Grandpa Pena.
It's from Grandma and Grandpa Pena.
Thank you. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm excited. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say I love you.
Love you. Let's make it. Let's make it. I'll open it. Wait, can you get off for a second?
So as much as I want to show you guys the swing set, it is completed now, except for the slide. Actually, the slide still needs to be put on. You're gonna have to wait until tomorrow's vlog because it's dark, and yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. So in tomorrow's vlog, I will show you the completed swing set with or without the slide. I'll just show you guys. But yeah, I think that's all he has to do. And I'm just gonna do this face mask. After this, I'm going to put on my Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. And I'm also going to use my retinol serum. This is by Skin Nutrition. And I got this at Dollar Tree. And I think, yeah, that will be it. That will be it. So, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.